Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Courtyard by Marriott Reno Downtown, Riverfront. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Courtyard by Marriott Reno Downtown, Riverfront is located in Reno, 656 feet from the National Automobile Museum. National Bowling Stadium is 984 feet from Courtyard by Marriott Reno, while Pioneer Center for the Performing Arts is 1,640 feet away. Reno-Tahoe International Airport is 2.5 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.